You better get in that fucking lane, because I'm about to get the fuck out of the car in a second and whoop your ass. Hey, what the fuck was that for? Now, how about you fucking drive like you got some sense? I'm not scared of you.
I don't give a f***. You don't look like I gave a f***.
Did I do something?
You.
Did I do something to you? Why did I do? All right, United Plumbing, great. Guess what? My aunt works for you. I'll make sure they know. 47YLJ.
ridiculous. It's about how can I get ratings, how can I feed the red blood, or how can I feed the blue blood? So my problem, and I don't even know if this is a question, but I'm glad to give you some filling time, is how can somebody like me who's completely different from the party that I've always been with, it's okay to be
Place we are going, is there a starting point for a hike, or is that that's the view Injuries, and it was all caught on camera.
Have a look at this. It's pretty violent impact. A home security camera right there showing the moment the crash happened. This was Tuesday night at Mountain Ash Road and Countryside Drive. Now, a car was making a left turn, and when it was hit by that speeding Audi that was coming from the other direction, here it is coming up right there.
Two girls.
Sekolah di Melaka bermula tahun 2023. Esko Pendidikan dan Teknologi Negeri masih berperasa. Perkara itu adalah faktor sentral jangan.
Fox 13 has obtained shocking video from a King County Metro bus gone wild.
Cameras from inside the bus show the 20,000-plus pound bus slamming into cars there, with the driver having a medical episode. Today, Fox 13's AJ Janival speaks to the Good Samaritan who saved the lives of the people inside and tells you why he's now homeless.
Are you all right, brother? Are you all right? Hey!
Because everybody else in that video is like freaking out. You act.
Yeah. And
know
that's
what to
why, because I know how. I put it in neutral.
Yeah.
First, I walked up there and he wasn't responding.
Ernie Mackinson tells me his background with driving 18-wheelers is what helped save lives on March 18th. Unfortunately for Mackinson, no good deed goes unpunished.
You don't have a place to live.
Nope.
You don't have a car.
Nope.
You don't have a job.
Nope.
You got $2 in your name.
Yes.
You say that's all because of this crash.
All of it.
Yeah. And so now you're living down the street of the Salvation Army.
Yeah.
You've been there for 2.5 weeks?
Yeah, there you are. Come on. You all right?
Hello? Hello?
Hey!
Hey!
You okay?
Hello?
Mackinson said after stopping the bus, he realized his book bag was opened and the last few $100 he had was now gone. He tells me he's been dealing with injuries since the crash that prevent him from working, but he says he would do it again.
We went through an intersection, 85, and on the other side of 85. But at that time, there was like 15 3 to 5-year-olds that were walking with all their guardians in the sidewalk. And we missed them from like here to that car. A flock of them.
Yeah.
Of 3 to 5. Can you imagine what could have happened to them poor children?
Yeah, of course.
That
They've been gone.
That was worth it.
Yeah.
Save them kids.
Yeah, man. Well, you did a great thing. You saved lives.
Reporting in Seattle, AJ Janival, Fox 13 News.
There is a bright side to the story for Ernie. The community donated more than $76,000 to help him through a GoFundMe. Unfortunately, he has not been able to access his funds, but today, AJ Janival worked with Ernie and GoFundMe to get the correct documents filed. And officials with GoFundMe tell us the process is now moving forward to get Ernie his money so he can get back on his feet.
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the string, you gotta say.